Welcome to Q&A Wire.
Hi, here in this given problem, initial circumference of the loop, iron wire loop C1, let it be, this is given as 165.0 centimeter, and the rate of reduction in the circumference dc by dt, that is given as 12.0 centimeter per second, or we can say, using the expression for circumference, that is 2 pi r by dt is equal to 12.0 centimeter per second, or taking this 2 pi as a constant out, we get dr by dt, the time rate of reduction of radius of this loop, is equal to 12.0 centimeter per second, or finally this dr by dt, that is 12.0 divided by 2 pi centimeter per second. Okay, magnetic field perpendicular to this loop, this is given as 0.500 Tesla, and we have to find EMF induced after a time t is equal to 9.0 second. So in the first part of the problem, using Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction, induced EMF is given as, in magnitude, d phi by dt. For the flux, this is given as BA cos theta. For theta, that will be 0 degree, because magnetic field is parallel to the area vector. So cos 0 degree, which comes out to be equal to 1. So for area of the loop, that is pi r square. Hence EMF is equal to, taking constants, taking b and pi as a constant out, b pi will be out, leaving behind differentiation of r2 with respect to time. So differentiating it, we get b into pi into 2r and dr by dt. So finally it becomes 2b pi r dr by dt. Okay, now C2, circumference after 9 seconds. It will be given by initial circumference 165.0 minus reduction in circumference 12 multiplied by 9. So it comes out to be equal to 57 centimeter, means 2 pi r is equal to 57 centimeter, means radius now is given by 57 by 2 pi centimeter. So plugging in the value of this r over here, EMF induced will be given by 2 pi b. For r, this is 57 by 2 pi, and dr by dt, cancelling this 2 pi and plugging in the known values. For b, this is 0.500 multiplied by 57 centimeter, or 57 by 100 meter, and dr by dt, already we have seen it, that was 12 centimeter by 2 pi. So here it will become 12 centimeter, means 12 by 100, and divided by 2 pi. So finally this EMF induced is calculated to be equal to 5.45 into 10 to the power minus 3 volt, which is the answer for the first part of this given problem here. Okay, now in the second part of the problem, we have to find the direction of current induced. So if this is the loop, and suppose magnetic field is getting into the plane of loop, so looking along the direction of magnetic field, and magnetic field direction is into the plane of paper, so we are looking into the plane of paper. So looking along the direction of magnetic field, as the circumference is reducing, so the flux, the magnetic flux will also be reducing. So as per Lenz's law, the induced magnetic field, as this inducing magnetic field is into the plane of paper, so the induced magnetic field should also be into the plane of paper. Into the loop means magnetic field is entering, so this phase should behave like south pole. As we know, magnetic field enters into the south pole. And if it is south pole, so the direction of current induced should be clockwise. Thank you.